Hello sir and madam. My name is Ahmad Khan Ibrahim. This is Satya Wardana and this is Fatih Izudin Adustomi. They are my partners in this research.
Hi, to present our research. In this research, we designed a device called ITON, inclined turn navigation. We observed that a lot of accidents happen at inclined turn in Colorado. This is because drivers coming from one of the ends don't know the presence of cars from the opposite direction. If the drivers come to the inclined turn at the same time, then accidents are prone to happen. There are of course traffic signs, but they are not quite effective forever at night. It inspires us to design and make a device to solve the problem. We design a sensor-based mechanism and create the prototype. The device is set both ends of the inclined turn. Its function is to tell the driver who are about to enter the turn, whether there are cars from the opposite direction. Whenever a car passes one of the ends, it will be recorded by the sensor and electric signal is sent to other. Then the LED will display a warning which eventually tells the driver from the opposite direction to be careful. The same goes for both ends. We have made the prototype and it proven works after several tests.
An experiment design. First, we observed that a lot of accidents happen at inclined turns in Kulon Progo. There are a lot of traffic signs, but not quite effective. Moreover, at the night time, after doing some brainstorming to solve the problem, we decided to make a device called ITON. We designed the mechanism and gathered tools as well as materials from the local electronics store nearby. We built the prototype and ran some tests. We gathered the data and analyzed the data. Finally, we write the report based on the result. We'll use number 1, ultrasonic HCSR04 to detect object passing in the form of the sensor. Number 2, Arduino Uno processor to process data gathered from the sensor panel and to give command for the LCD. Number 3, LCD 125 by 25 centimeters to display the warning text. Number 4, PCB to connect the electronic components. Number 5, MOSFET transistor to cut off and to connect the current to stabilize the voltage and to modulate the signal. Number 6, programming apps is named Arduino Uno to set the program to Arduino Uno. Number 7, USB cable type A to type B to connect the Arduino Uno processor with computer so the program can be set. Number 8, solar panel 50 watt peak to convert the sunlight into electricity to the power of the device. Number 9, battery 18 ampere per hour, 12 volt to save the electricity at night. And number 10, solar charge controller 12 volt 10 ampere to manage the battery charge from the solar panel. And here is the setting of the device. And of course, and here is the mechanism. The car passed the sensor A, and then the LED display will give a warning text. And the same works for both directions. Okay.
And now for the prototype test result. We have built a prototype and run some tests. Our device broke effectively at distance 50 centimeters. A car passing 50 centimeters in front of the sensor and one end will be recorded and warning text will be displayed at the other. We can improve this distance by changing the program, the distance between both and can vary according to actual situation by using rubbers or shooter action.
Conclusion: inclined turn in Kulon Progo often prone to be placed for car accidents since traffic signs are not quite effective. Moreover, at night, we design and make sensor-based device to solve the problem. At one end of the inclined turn, the presence of moving car will be recorded by using sensor. The information processed and sent to the other and in front of a warning text displayed by the LED display. Therefore, by driver entering the sensor from the opposite direction is information about them, so that they may be more careful or test result well at the distance 50 cm from the sensor. It can still be improved by modifying the program. Moreover, the distance between can be fed according to actual situation by using longer or shorter connector cable. Thank you, sir and madam.